Today we can search Subject 3 on YouTube. You can see that Subject 3 is a very popular dance video recently if you are using a tool called VDeek. If you are searching for Subject 3 keywords, it has 1 million searches, and its rating is only green 60. That is to say, the degree of competition is not very high. We can also use the keywords on the right. See other keywords. Search for Subject 3 dance. There are over 57,000 searches. You can see that this video has 960,000 views. This video is even more popular with more than 5 million views. This one has over 1 million views. We can see this in a TikTok video. If we search on TikTok, it is also Subject 3. And this is the keyword of English Subject 3. When we saw this video, it had 9 million views. Today we will take a closer look. This 9 million video, you should observe. This girl is the one in the video just now. Then this video will make her into an AI anim image. The views of his video are not bad. The video also has 5 million views. Today I will share with you how to make this type of popular video. No need to show your face, no need to take a video, or make a video of cats and dogs dancing like this. It doesn't have to be dance in Subject 3. Other videos can also make such popular videos. If you are interested in today's content, remember to watch the end of the video. I'm in the process of sharing the video. Creative skills not found in other videos. Let's first search for a dancing video on TikTok. Click to open video, then see the link and copy this link. Next, we download videos from TikTok website. Paste the link you just made here. Want to download this video? This download button might want to watch an ad. You can register an account first. He will give you the 100 seconds of video credits. That is, the software is completely free to use. Then I saw this tool for making anim style. Let's click to open. I've made some videos, different styles of anim videos. You can take a look at the effects I made. This is Iron Man's dance video. We can see this is a Spider-Man image video. I also converted it through the dance video of Subject 3. Let's first choose what you want to do in the style of Spider-Man. Let's look at this. It's the style image of Dragon Ball Goku. There are many styles here. If that doesn't satisfy us, there are other ways. You can choose the style you like. If you don't have a style that suits you here, we can also upload some image styles. Let him imitate. Of course, we can use Leonardo to make pictures. You can choose your favorite style. There are a lot of AI pictures here. We can all download these pictures. Ask him to create videos based on your style. Let's look at this cute image of a pig. Open the picture here and you can see the download. You can put this picture. Just download it. I'm going to choose to upload a picture here. Upload the picture just now. Click this preview button to take a look. What does the preview look like? You can see that this is an effect of the preview. Choose close to look at the image of a very cool pig. If you want to use this Spider-Man, we can choose Spider-Man. Then click this to browse. You can see its renderings. This is the effect of creating a Spider-Man. You can see the points he has to consume are 27 points. The longer your video is, if he wants to consume these points, he will definitely have to spend more points. When this video is ready, we can see on the right, that's the videos you made. Then there is a download button displayed here. You can download these videos. Since time is of the essence, I have already downloaded it. After I have prepared these materials, we need to upload some of our own materials. The software we use is CapCut software. We can use it for free. Then create a new file. Then of course I have to upload all the materials just now. Then pull this material onto your track. Then continue. You can also include the videos you just made. If you want to do to dance comparisons shown simultaneously, do you want to make a short video or a long video? If short video, we just need. This is already in the format of a short video, but we made another one which is a long video. So I choose to be here, is to choose the ratio of 16:9. Then move the video aside, and then compare. Then we add a text here and write PK. Spider-Man and the original girl have a PK match. You can also choose different styles for text. Go ahead yourself by choosing one of these styles here. Different styles to display. Cut out the unnecessary parts here. Let's cut it out. then delete it. You can see a very simple comparison video. If you want to make a short video, I chose 9:16. In this case, I can shrink this by. Then I also reduced the video size here. You can see this is 50. Change this parameter here to 50. This is also changed to 50. This way you can see a short video of the comparison. We can also change the black background. Click this video to scroll to the bottom. This is basic. How about the effect of seeing this as a background? For this blur, we choose a completely blurred background. If you like a colored background, you can also choose a color background. It can be white or black. Now this is up to you to control and use. Then we can look at the effect of this comparison. Is not it simple? This is because the music of this video involves copyright issues. So I have to be on YouTube. We come to the YouTube channel backend. See, this is the music library. There's a lot of this music on it. And what we are looking for is some music with a lighter rhythm. So I found a lighter rhythm to match this dance. Very suitable. You can come and listen. Why should I change this music? Because your music copyright is easily infringed. So this is very important. Why this music copyright is so important? We have to change the music background of it. So remove this background music. We saw that the small speaker has been turned off. Thus this copyright issue can be avoided. The effect is also very good because this is also a very popular keyword. So you can make this comparison or some unique styles of dance. I believe these animation effects will definitely attract very good traffic. With traffic, you can not only monetize it through YouTube, you can also attract traffic on TikTok. Attract traffic to monetize it. Just need to pick up some affiliate links. Then you can get double layered benefits. The biggest problem is traffic. You solve the traffic problem. Making money is very easy. If today's video content, if it can be of some help to you, I hope you can give this video a free like. If you have any problems with operation, you can tell me through the message area below. If you have the latest creative ideas, I will also share it with you as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next issue.